Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to our presentation. It's great to see you all. I'll talk with different situations. Okay, my friends, let me introduce myself and my partners. I am Asa Gisiani and my partner are Anis Khairunisa, Ulfa Aisyah, Nazila Adistia Rahma, and the last Raisa Dinur Robi. Okay, my friend, in this presentation, we will discuss about early childhood education candidates' perspective of their importance and responsibility of promoting physical activity and minimizing screen bullying opportunity in child care.
Introduction. Early expansion in physical activity, often the form of active play, are essential in supporting your children physical, psychosocial, and cognitive development and well-being, and cognitive development, as well as for attention in irregular sleep. Considering your children develop physical activity and screen viewing habits from an early age, and this behavior tend to trick into later childhood and adolescence. It is essential to foster appropriate physical activity and sedentary behaviors early to maintain overall health. Canada, approximately 16.8% of 1 to 3 years old and 16.5% of 4 to 5 years old attend some form of child care, and spend upward of 29 hours per week in this setting. Recent studies concluded within child care have reported low physical activity level among children. In fact, Federlo et al. Reported that young Canadian children engage in only 15.4 minutes per hour of moderate to vigorous intensive physical activity during child care. Further, Tucker, Van der Loo, Burke, Irwin, and Johnson reported Canadian preschooler engage in 16 minutes per hour of sedentary behavior within this setting. Similar trends in movement behavior are evident among your children in child care setting globally. In a systematic review by Obian et al., which included data from 12 countries, 87% of studies reporting on preschooler MVPA during child care house recorded MVPA rates of 10 minutes per hour. Further, a systematic review by Van der Loo with data from the United States and Australia revealed that preschooler in center-based child care engage in 0.1 to 1.3 hours per day of screen time, with the child care environment itself accounting for up to 15% of the variation in young children's physical activity. It is important to consider child care center characteristics that can be adapted to better promote healthy movement behavior in this setting. Many characteristics of the child care environment have been known to influence children's physical activity and sedentary behavior. However, recent research has highlighted early childhood educators as essential to lead, encourage, and role model physical activity in child care. For this reason, they remain a strong focus of effort to improve the physical activity behaviors of young children in this setting. educators are often responsible for creating the daily programming in their childcare classroom. And the amount of physical activity they incorporate in their programming often reflects the importance they place on this behavior. It is important to consider early childhood educator perceives responsibility with regard to promoting physical activity and minimizing screen living. Wilke Obdenaker, Krames and Brothers discovered via interview that early childhood educators felt they were not responsible for the promotion of physical activity and childcare, as they believed the children in their care were active enough. Further, with time, contact not as a barrier to the provision of physical activity opportunities in childcare. Educators note that they only program activities permitted within their care center childcare regulation. Considering physical activity and screen viewing regulation for childcare center are lacking in many jurisdictions across Canada and in other countries, active opportunities for young children might only be provided in educator field interested in or personally responsible to do so. Physical activity training in early childhood teacher education program has been shown to influence pre-service educator related conflict and self-efficacy. It is logical to posit that early childhood teacher education program may similarly influence per-service educator physical activity and screen viewing policies and belief, thus warranting further exploration. Research has been conducted in childcare setting regarding early childhood educator perspective on physical activity formation. Daylight research within educator pre-service schooling. ECE, a candidate physical activity values. This is an important avenue to explore as it remains unclear whether early childhood educator role values related to physical activity and screen viewing during their formal or secondary training, or whether these values are shaped by the childcare setting they are employed in. ECE program can play a pivotal role in shaping ECE candidate teaching beliefs, attitudes, and values, determining if educator from values relating to physical activity and screen viewing in their pre-service schooling may highlight whether this educational experience should be incorporated in ECE curricula, or if additional professional learning opportunities will benefit practicing educators. As such, the purpose of this study was to examine 1. ECE candidates' perspective regarding the importance they play on promoting physical activity and minimizing screen viewing in childcare. 2. Their perceived responsibility to carry out these roles, and 3. Their interest in research and further training. To garner an understanding of contributing factors to ECE candidates' perspective regarding the importance and responsibility to promote physical activity and minimize screen viewing in childcare. Importance and responsibility variables were explored in relation to 1. ECE candidates' physical activity and highlights that ECE candidates with physical activity and screen viewing training, as well as those meeting the Canadian physical activity with the link, report more positive perspective regarding physical activity promotion and minimizing screen viewing in childcare compared to ECE candidates without allied training or who were not meeting the physical activity with the link.
My name is Nabila Adistia Rahma, and the next material is method. Study design and procedure. This was a sub-study of Bridging 2019, which was cross-sectional in design and follow a similar procedure to Martinuk and Tucker 2014. Ontario pilot study to explore Canadian ECE candidates physical activity and screen viewing, related knowledge, training, and self-efficacy. ECE programs and candidates were recruited to participate in the study from January to May 2018. The Non-Medical Research Ethics Board at the University of Western Ontario provided ethical approval for the conduct of this research, as well as respective research ethics board at participating college or university when recruiting. Participant college or university recruitment. Canadian college or university offering an ECE program were contacted via email sent to program personnel to request participation in the research study. If no response was received within 2 weeks, a reminder email was circulated. Upon call was used in cases where college or universities were unresponsive by email. ECE candidate recruitment and inclusion criteria. All ECE candidates enroll at a participating Canadian college or university receive an invitation to participate in the study, irrespective of enrollment standing, year of study, or type of ECE program. Request for completion of the online survey administered via Qualtrics was disseminated by program personnel via email and or the college or university program website. A reminder email was sent to candidates 3 weeks after initial invitation to maximize participation. Consent to participate was indicated by the voluntary completion of the online survey. Class size were recorded for each participating college or university to log response rates. Instrument and tool. In summary, the 112-item tool developed for the purpose of the study measure ECE candidates' knowledge. It is physical activity or screen viewing documents and concepts. Training. It is physical activity and screen viewing course offer and concept cover in the ECE program. Self-efficacy. It is to promote physical activity and minimize screen viewing in childcare. Perspective. It is regarding the importance of and responsibility in promoting physical activity and minimize screen viewing, as well as their interest in research and supplementary training. Their own physical activity, behavior, and demographic information. The sub-analysis focus on ECE candidate perspectives regarding the importance of and responsibility in promoting physical activity, teaching physical activity, overcoming barriers to physical activity, and minimizing screen viewing in childcare, which were rated on a 6-point scale. 1. Strongly disagree to 6. Strongly agree. Additionally, candidates rate their interest in the furthering their knowledge on a number of physical activity and screen viewing concepts on a 6-point rating scale. 1. 1 strongly disinterested to 6 strongly interested. And their interest in physical activity and screen viewing relate research by indicating yes or no. Data analysis. Respond for ICE candidate perspective regarding the importance and responsibility to promote physical activity and minimize screen viewing in childcare, as well as their interest in physical activity and screen viewing related training, were collapsed from 6 to 3 categories. It is strongly disagree or disinterested, and disagree or disinterested into disagree or disinterested, somewhat disagree or disinterested, and somewhat agree on or interested into neutral, and agree or interested, and strongly agree or interested into agree or interested. Prior to analysis, descriptive statistics were used to report candidate perspective and interest regarding promoting physical activity and minimizing screen viewing in childcare. 40 square tests were performed to compare candidates' perspectives regarding both importance and responsibility. Depending on 1. Whether they reported completing any physical activity or screen viewing course, and 2. Whether they reported engaging it in at least 150 minutes of LVPA per week. Canadian Society for Exercise Physiology 2012. To mitigate family-wise error, the Holm-Bonferroni method was used to adjust the p-values for each set of multiple comparison. Holm 1979 was used to complete all statistical analysis.
Demographic of 2010 College or University of Toronto and ICE program in Canada, 61 agreed participants in the study. A total of 1,492 of 80,089 ICE candidates responded to online survey. Participants performed 12 province or 35% were Caucasian and were. The majority of these candidates were in year 1 or 2 of the university diploma program and enrolled full-time. Only 32 and 26% of candidates report receiving physical activity and screen viewing training other ICE program respectively, and 11% compared to the national average of 16% for 18 to 34 years old. Importance of promoting physical activity and minimizing screen view in childcare. In general, ICE candidates reported that they felt it was important to promote physical activity and minimizing screen view in childcare. Across the 17 items, ICE candidates reported creating an environment that encourages active play and modeling appropriate physical activity behavior as most important. Conversely, leading active play opportunities in challenge weather climates and minimizing of the use screens as reward for good behavior were identified as less important, although the percentage of ICE candidates in agreement with this item were still about 75%. ICE candidates who reported completing some physical activity training during their ECE program. Perceived teaching locomotor skill, traveling action, and teaching writing skill as significantly more important than candidates who did not receive physical activity training. Further, candidates who report meeting the other physical activity guideline perceived creating an environment that encourages active play, modeling appropriate physical activity or movement behaviors, and facilitating active play for young children, and a limited space to be significantly more important than those not meeting the guideline. Responsibility to promote physical activity and minimize screen view in childcare. Overall, ECE candidates were in agreement that it was their responsibility to promote physical activity and minimize screen view in childcare. ECE candidates perceived they were most responsible to create an environment that encourages active play and make use of the environment or available equipment for physical activity. Again, will the percentage remain high? ECE candidates felt the less responsible to lead active play opportunities in challenge weather climates and minimize the use of screens as reward for good behavior. When rated across all 17 items, ECE candidates who reported conducting physical activity allowed training perceived that they were significantly more responsible to lead activities to inform children's fitness development, teach about the relationship between physical activity and health, teach play skills, and teach writing skills in comparison to those without such training. ECE candidates who report meeting the other physical activity guideline perceived they were significantly more responsible to create an environment that encourages active play, make good use of the environment and available equipment for play and physical activity, and facilitate active play for young children in a limited space, compared to ECE candidates not meeting the guideline. Interest in supplementary training and research. The majority of ECE candidates were interested in furthering their knowledge on all physical activity and screen view concepts. Candidates were most interested in learning about active play and health growth and development, and less interested in learning about physical activity evaluation and physical activity intervention. When asked whether certain research were perceived as helpful in promoting physical activity and minimizing screen view in childcare, ECE candidates note that age and developmentally appropriate ideas for games or physical activity were the most helpful, followed by active opportunity ideas in various weather climates. The less helpful research were referred to be best physical activity instructors and instructional strategies to reduce the use of screens.
Discussion. The purpose of the study was to explore ECE candidate perception of their importance and personal responsibility with regard to promoting physical activity and minimizing screen viewing in child care, as well as their interest in related research and additional training. This was the first study to explore ECE candidate physical activity and screen viewing related perception, and how this perception might be influenced by their related pre-service training and personal physical activity habits. This study highlights unique findings that contribute to an understanding of how ECE candidate attitude toward physical activity and screen viewing may translate into teaching practice in child care setting. Demonstrasi that the early childhood teacher education setting may be an appropriate environment to help shape healthy perspective of ECE candidate with regard to physical activity and screen viewing in early childhood. While this is encouraging, the survey item candidate perception as less important and less their responsibility as educator were to lead active play opportunities in challenging weather climate and minimize the use of screen as reward for good behavior. Weather has been reported by early childhood educators as a recurrent barrier to promoting physical activity in child care, as children in this setting tend to achieve the majority of their daily MVPA, weather permitting outdoor. These findings seem logical, as a number of Canadian ECE programs offer courses such as gross motor development, music and movement, and learning through play, which naturally would incorporate many physical activity-related teaching skills. However, the inconsistency in physical activity content reportedly conferred across ECE programs in Canada make it difficult to draw any direct conclusion about the type of physical activity training that best support positive physical activity perception of ECE candidate. Fedden, Oakley, Eddy, and Jones conducted a review of professional learning component of physical activity intervention in child care setting, and found that information from include study regarding the content of physical activity training for educator was scarcely reported, and only two studies reported specific professional learning outcome. With limited child care educator measure in professional learning intervention, such as educator perspective regarding physical activity, it remains difficult to determine the effectiveness of specific physical activity training component with respect to their physical activity related value, confidence, and behavior. Training for in-service early childhood educator that follow best practice with line for physical activity in child care should be explored to determine whether this training content supports improvement in their corresponding physical activity promoting practice in child care setting. Further considering the importance of physical activity for healthy development in a variety of domains, the equal prioritization of this content in early childhood teacher education to author development subject is necessary to foster ECE candidates that are more well-rounded and able to offer a balanced child care curriculum. While personal physical activity behavior might not influence ECE candidate attitude toward teaching physical activity, the not influence on the promoting of physical activity in the child care environment is an important finding. Although it might be more likely for educators who engage in regular physical activity to promote physical activity during child care, there may be potential for education via inclusion of this content in pre-service ECE curricula to mediate discrepancies in personal activity habits. Although a small study is highlight that center expectations regarding children's physical activity were unclear, which result in educators drawing on their own personal physical activity believed to guide their teaching. Both physical activity policy and physical activity training have been not as potential solution to this problem.
as having concrete expectation of physical activity affordance in childcare would enhance educator knowledge of their role. Further, physical activity training would aid educator in developing the related knowledge based and self-efficacy to carry out this policy within their classroom. While screen viewing related training has yet to be explored in professional development intervention for early childhood educator, similar findings to that of physical activity training are anticipated.
Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Elsa Gistiani. Here I want to continue the material. Okay. Further research to examine the impact of a personal learning intervention in physical activity and screen viewing for ECE candidates and practice educator is clearly warranted. The answer childcare providers are proficient and confident in their ability to lead physical activity and minimize screen viewing in childcare. Professional learning intervention within the ECE profession are needed. Similar to the present study, early childhood educators in childcare center had requested additional training in physical activity, further emphasizing the problematic gap in related education provided within Canadian ECE programs. Okay, next to implication for early childhood teacher education. Given the high gap in early childhood teacher training in physical activity and screen viewing in Canada, coupled with the influence of this type of training on ECE candidates' perceptions regarding to importance and responsibility to promote physical activity and minimize screen viewing in childcare, the addition of this content to ECE curricula should be explored. Okay, the last is limitation. Response rates may have been negatively impacted by the use of online surveys, which have been shown to yield lower response rates than paper copies. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for us. And I'm sorry for there are many mistakes. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.